So this is a very good question on network theory. So this voltage is V, this resistance is 3R, this resistance is 4R, this resistance is 2R, this resistance is 4R, this resistance is 2R, this resistance is 4R. The current through this 2R resistance is I. The current through this 4R resistance is 1 ampere. We have to find the value of this current I. The options are 0 ampere, 4 ampere, 8 ampere and D option is can't be determined. So first pause this video and try to solve this question yourself. Then resume the video and see how I solve it. So if the current through this 4R resistor is 1 ampere, then the current through this 2R resistor will be 2 ampere. So if 2 ampere current is coming here and 1 ampere current is coming here, so this current will be 3 ampere. Now 3 ampere is coming here, so 3 ampere is also here, flowing here. Now the current through this 2R resistor is I. So if we double the resistor, the current will become half. So this will be equal to I by 2. So the total current here is I plus I by 2. So 1.5 I. 1.5 I. So 1.5 I is flowing through here and 3 ampere is flowing through here. So the current through this will be 3 plus 4.3 plus 1.5 I. So 3 plus 1.5 I. Now let's assume that this point is X, this point is Y. So if this point is Y, then this point will also be Y and this point will also be Y. So between X and Y, the current through resistor 4R is 1 ampere. Between X and Y, the current through resistor 4R is 1 ampere. So this 4R resistor is also connected between X and Y. This 4R resistor is also connected between X and Y. So the current through this 4R resistor will also be 1 ampere. So this current is 1 ampere from X to Y. Because this point is Y, we assume that this point is Y. So this point will also be Y because no resistor is coming here, and this point will also be Y because no resistor is there. So between X and Y, the current through resistor 4R is 1 ampere. So similarly between X and Y, the current through resistor 4R will also be 1 ampere and the direction is from X to Y. So if this current is this current is 3 ampere, this current is 1 ampere, then this current will be 4 ampere as well. So this current is also 4 ampere. So we apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law in this loop. So what we get is 4R into, I am going from here to here. So 4R into I by 2. Now this current is coming in opposite direction, this 2 ampere current. So minus 2R into 2 ampere, and this current is also coming in opposite direction. So minus 4 into 3R equal to 0. So we get this R and R cancelled. So 4 2I minus 4 minus 12 equal to 0, or 2I equal to 16. So I is equal to 8 ampere. So we have solved, The trick is that you have to solve the questions in a fast and a accurate way. So this is the most fast method to solve this question. So thank you. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel, and please comment if you have any doubt. You can comment in the comment box.